I'm your teacher sidekick, and this is my sidekick and one of the classroom kids,
Peyton!
She is here to help me teach you about the sound
Wha.
But first, we need to set up some rules.
Rule number 1, pay attention.
We want you to listen so you can be the best reader that you can be.
Rule number 2, participate.
Pretend you're in the screen with us and do what we do. Maybe one day you will be a classroom kid too. Last rule, have fun and try your best.
Let's get started.
Remember, whatever my classroom kid is doing, you can do too. So follow along and be a classroom kid. Crucial listening moment.
This is very important.
WH can make the sound W or HW. It depends on who you are and where you live, but both sounds are right. Peyton, what do you say?
Wha.
HW. Sometimes I say HW and sometimes I say W. What do you say? Repeat after me. WH
WH
can make the sound HW.
can make the sound wha.
WH
WH
can make the sound W.
can make the sound wha. And now the moment you've all been waiting for.
Introducing our classroom kid that makes the sound.
Wha.
Remember, WH makes the sound.
Wha.
She has her hands out like she is asking a question because WH is frequently at the beginning of question words like where, what, when, and why. When you see our classroom kid on the screen, we want you to say
Wha.
Let's practice. Ready?
Wha. Ha. Wha. Wha.
WH makes the sound.
Wha.
You can hear the sound
Wha.
at the beginning of some question words like what, where, when, and why. I am going to say a sentence. If it is a question, I want you to say
Wha.
If it is a statement, I'm telling you something, then I just want you to stay silent. Ready? Where do you want to go to dinner?
Wha.
I will read a book tonight. You have a bright shirt. What book will you read first?
Wha.
The flag is red, white, and blue. When will you watch Teacher Sidekick?
Wha.
What? WH makes the sound.
Wha.
The sound
Wha.
is at the beginning of some question words, but the sound
Wha.
can be at the beginning of other words too. I will say a word and I want you to tell me the sounds in the word. Remember, every time you move your mouth, freeze and say the sound. Every time you move your mouth, freeze and say the sound. If that's too hard for you, then you can just say the word very slowly. Eventually, you'll be able to stop in between each sound. You can either count the sounds on your chin like this, or hold your hand up and count the sounds like this. It's whatever you prefer. Ready?
Yeah.
Tell us the sounds in the word white. Ready? What? I. Tell us the sounds in the word while. Ready? What? I. Oh. Wham. Ready? What? Am. Whip. Ready? What? It. Quit. Ready? What? It. Wheat. Ready? What? Eat. Whirl. Ready? What? Earl. Ready for a challenge word?
Yeah.
Whisper. Ready? What? Whisper. Good job. Now we will practice 15 words with the sound
W.
If you need more time, press pause to freeze the screen, or if you want to read the words by yourself, just turn down the volume to do it on your own.
Quack, quack. Eel, wheel. When. Itch, which. Isk, whisk. Is, whiz. Whim.
Silly story time.
It's time to gather around for a silly story about our classroom kid
Peyton.
and the sound.
W.
Try to read the words with me.
Peyton is a whiz at fixing things. When Peyton was at the wharf, she repaired a wheel while a white whale was watching her. Why was a whale watching while Peyton fixed the wheel? Well, the whale was whimpering and whining, which led Peyton to ask what was wrong. The whale whispered that he'd lost his whiskers. Peyton loves whales, so she knew she had to help. "Where did you last have them?" asked Peyton. The whale didn't know when or where. On a whim, Peyton decided to whittle the whale some whiskers. The whale was so thankful that he whirled around and around while he whistled a tune. You can press pause to freeze the screen and try to read all of the words and retell our silly story.
Some common words that we read have the sound
W.
We are going to teach you a few songs to help you memorize how to spell these words. The first song we are going to learn is for the word Y. You spell Y, W-H-Y. The song goes like this. You're going to clap W, clap H, drum roll for the letter Y, Y, and say the word Y. Try it with us. Ready? W, H, Y, Y. W, H, Y, Y. W, H, Y, Y. The next song we are going to learn is for the word what. And you spell what. W-H-A-T. The WH says
W.
and the A actually says in this word. So the song goes like this. We're going to spell it. W-H-A-T and then say what? Whoa, 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 what? Ready, go. W-H-A-T, what? Whoa, whoa, what? W-H-A-T, what? Whoa, 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 what? W-H-A-T, what? Whoa, whoa, what? This song is for the word where, and you spell where, W-H-E-R-E. So we're going to start by saying the word and putting our arms out. Where? And then clap one hand and say W. Open it up for H. Clap the other hand, E. Open it up, R. Clap for E. And then back to the beginning and say where. Let's try it from the beginning. Ready? Where? W-H-E W-H-E-R-E. Where? W-H-E-R-E. Where? W-H-E-R-E. Where? The last song is for the word when. And you spell when W-H-E-N. You are going to look at your hand like you have a watch on. Take your other finger like you're waiting for something and tap the watch and be very annoyed that you're waiting and wondering when. So you can just follow along with us and you're just going to keep saying the word when until the end, and we will spell it W-H-E-N. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, ready? When, 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 W-H-E-N. Let's do it together again. Ready? Go. When, 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 W-H-E-N. Now we will play How Many Words Can You Guess in 1 minute? I will give you clues, and you have to guess the word. Hint, the word will have the sound
Hua.
in it. We will see how many you and Peyton can guess in 1 minute. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's set the timer. On your mark, get set, go! Okay, you do this with your mouth. I don't do it very well, but what's that called?
Whistling?
Whistle, good. If you talk to someone really quiet, you are
Whispering.
whispering. A mammal found in the ocean, and it's very big. It's a humpback
Whale.
whale. And this one, it's in a car. You use it to drive, or it's
Wheel.
wheel. Good. Cats have them, dogs have them. They come out. They are there.
Whiskers.
Whiskers. It's a noise that you can make when you maybe hit a ball. You hit it really hard, it makes the sound.
Wham.
Wham, good, or whack. If you are complaining, you are
Whining.
whining. And time is up. Good job. Rewind, let's review. Rewind, let's review. Rewind, let's review. What sound does WH make?
Hua.
Repeat after me. WH
W-H
can make the sound what?
can make the sound hua.
Now we will review words with the sound.
Hua.
Press pause to freeze the screen if you need more time.
Whale, wham, wharf, what, wheel, when, where, while, whimper, whine, whip, whisk, whistle, white.
If you have more time, try to think of more words with the sound.
Hua.
If you are working in a group, take turns saying words with the sound.
Hua.
You can even write them if you want a challenge. Peyton, do you like challenges?
Yeah.
All right, thanks for hanging out with your teacher's sidekick and my sidekick.
Peyton.
See you next time.